Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 20th to May 2nd. April 20th to 24th, the flow is forecast to become less amplified. And we're going to start here with a ridge, a little bit of a trough here in the middle of the nation. But then as we go forward in time, you start seeing the flow flattening, heights rise. And we come to the 24th. This is what we're forecasting. Nearly zone of flow with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. You're looking at the GFS. And we take a look at the rest of the models. They're in good agreement. Now, first, we're going to talk about the system affecting the east. We're going to go here. This will be Friday. Here it is, Friday, 8 a.m. Friday, 8 p.m. Now, this will here's a low here over the Tennessee Valley, entering the Mid-Atlantic with heavy rain and strong storms along the frontal boundary. And then we're going to look at the European, similar, except that the European seems to be a little faster lifted to the northeast. And then we'll go to 8 a.m. Saturday. Here's the low as it starts wrapping up. Here's our strong storms and heavy rain. And then I want to look at during this period, I want to look at the rainfall amounts here. So we're going to go back here to Friday, 8 p.m. You can see the rainfall amounts here. This is in 6-hour intervals. And then we're going to go to 2 a.m. Saturday. And then we're going to go to 8 a.m. Saturday. And then it starts to move out late Saturday. Now that's the European. Now we're going to look at the GFS. Seems like it ends the rain faster than the I think it does here. See, they're kind of similar. They're similar. So the rainfall moves out later, late Saturday night, and then we'll have a trough aloft. That'll be affecting the west central states with associated surface pressures will spread rain and high elevation snows in the west, and then the rain will spread into the southern plains and the Mississippi Valley. Excuse me. And you see the system here, and then we go forward. And we start seeing this. Now we're going to go to April 23rd to 27th. April 23rd. Excuse me. We're expecting a zone of flow across much of the nation. However, the GFS kind of wants to bring a trough here across the east central states, while the other models, you see, have nearly zone of flow near to above normal heights. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures or near to above normal from the country, and forecast anomalies of at least 4 degrees above normal. Could be a little more, like 6 or 8 degrees above normal, but for now I'm saying about at least 4. And then for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the middle and lower Mississippi Valley and east of the Mississippi River. And the probability of occurrence is 45%. Now, as we go to later in the period, this forecast period, April 28th to May 2nd. We go 28. Most of the models are indicating near to above normal heights with a zone of flow. And I think there's one model here. Here's the European ensembles trying to bring a trough in here again with above normal heights here and here. But as you look at the ensemble means during this period, you can see this zone of flow again with near to above normal heights. And then we take another perspective. This is the ensemble means near to above normal heights, especially over the east. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting again above normal temperatures for the country with a numbers of 4 degrees or more above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the West Coast states, probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is up to 45%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 20th to May 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.